Beautiful morning, guys.
Yeah.
Woo! We are going to let either Jeremiah or Josiah decide where we go today. We got our little play button here. Let's flip it.
Yeah.
Oh, baby Yoda.
I'm Jeremiah. I'm Josiah. And that's Jeremiah. We are the Willis brothers. Welcome to the World of Willis.
Good morning.
Is this type of video?
Good morning, Jemai. How are you? Good morning, boys.
Good morning, Mommy.
It's Saturday. No school today. Hi, guys. How did you guys sleep? Good?
Good until saw some TV on.
And woke you up?
Yeah. Now I said, I hear a baby awake.
Oh, you heard a baby awake. I wonder who that baby was. Jemai. You ready to go eat breakfast? Hey. Good morning. Okay. Let's get your diaper changed. Go Jemai. Let's open the blinds. Got a new hoop out there.
Let's go outside.
It's a beautiful morning, guys.
Yeah.
Woo!
Almost got outside, but at least I put my hand out.
Woo! And the crowd goes wild. Woo! Nice shot. What do you want for breakfast? So you want applesauce and what?
You have the same thing every day. Did you see apples?
Applesauce and apples. Jeremiah, what do you want?
Toast with strawberry jelly.
Look, which one do you want? You want Cheerios? Okay, let's get Cheerios. You eating your Cheerios? Yeah, yummy. And a healthy breakfast. A yummy tonight. Mmm. Yummy Cheerios. Jemiah's milk. There's your milk, Jemai. Yeah, yummy. He loves his oat milk. Okay, let's get your vitamins, guys. Jeremiah's for fiber and Saya's complete multivitamin. Saya, why aren't you eating?
Who doesn't eat that?
Got you some chicken sausage too. Okay, so we are doing something different today. We are going to let either Jeremiah or Josiah decide where we go today. They can pick anywhere that they want as long as it's safe due to the pandemic. we got our little play button here. We're gonna flip it, and whoever, this is the head side and this is the tail side. So
Oh, I want the tails.
whoever
Tails.
gets the side that they choose gets to decide where we go today. All right, so Jeremiah gets to choose. So you want the tail
Yeah,
side?
because it gives you luck.
Let's flip it.
Yeah!
Whoa, so it lands on tails. All right, Jeremiah, so where are we going today?
Walmart.
You want to go to Walmart?
Yes.
Because you want to get a toy for your toy review that you want to do? All right. So, we're going to Walmart today, guys. Are you excited? Are you excited? All right, we're going to Walmart. We got to get ready, and then we're going to go to Walmart. Okay, guys, so we're at Walmart. Are you guys ready to go pick out the toys that you want?
Yeah.
Are you excited to be at Walmart?
That's the thing, yeah.
Saya?
I'm going to watch record.
All right, y'all ready to go in?
Yep.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, boys, so how much do you guys have to spend each?
Well,
20. You got $20 to spend, Jeremiah?
I'm just going to use
And Saya, you got $20 to spend?
I'm getting 3.
What are you guys getting? You know what you want? You have $40 to spend together. So you check your prices. So you guys got some toys from Walmart?
Yes.
Now you guys got something fun to do today?
Yes.
Okay, so are you guys gonna show everybody what you guys got from Walmart?
Yep.
All
We
right.
got a Robo motorcycle.
Robo motorcycle.
Mm.
Oh, baby Yoda.
And some mystery packs.
Oh, you got lots of mystery packs.
Okay. And we got this.
Oh, you got some baby stuff for Jemai. Yeah, that's for Jemai. Okay, so you guys are going to play with these toys today. And then you're going to open your mystery packs for a toy review video so everybody can see what characters are inside, right?
Yeah.
We'll do that in another video, but it's going to be coming up soon, right?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Remember, learning is smart, knowledge is power. Kindness is key. Fun is necessary. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.